What has electorally changed? What remains still constant? What changes he has brought to politics?
See what they have changed. I have said this about in the context of Bengal election that if BJP were to win, we are looking at a prospect of one nation, one party. Why do I say so? It's important for all of us to understand. It's not that this is the government with the biggest majority we have ever seen. We have seen governments with bigger majority than this one. We have also seen parties ruling India for far longer time than what they have been. They have been ruling 7 years. We have seen governments ruling 10, 15 years. Why we are saying that this is different is because of the reason that beyond your voting preference, here is a government, they want to have complete dominance on the psychological mind space of people beyond voting. So they don't want only your vote, they also want to interfere into what you wear, what you eat, who you are friends with, what your faith is. That bothers people. So they are, as a political party, they have right to seek your vote, but then they are not stopping there. They are trying to dominate the mind space, have that complete psychological control over your mind space, and want to have a say in everything else beyond vote as well. Similarly, as a party, they are well within their right to say that we want to win India. But never before in this country, a ruling party has given a war cry that I want to wipe off opposition. They don't want to win India only, they want to wipe off opposition. That scares, that's problematic. So you seek vote is acceptable, but to have the complete control over the mind space of people about things which are beyond vote is problematic. You want to win is fine, but you want to wipe off opposition is problematic. You want to propagate your achievement is fine, but then you are saying that nothing in 70 years has happened before we came. So much so that they are even including the 10 years of their own government, that nothing happened in this country. I can go on giving many such examples why people find this government a bit more scary, or why they are fearful, or why we are saying that we are going down on this democratic principles and the values. Because of these reasons, you have to make the distinction. People are not worried because they voted for them and they are in majority. People are worried when they come and they say you cannot wear these jeans, you cannot be friends with Muslim, you cannot eat this, you cannot drink. That is what creates the fear. People are not worried because they have won. Many parties have won in the past and they have won bigger than this party. But they are saying no, wipe off opposition completely. That is the problem. And hence, make no mistake, in the context, in this backdrop, if they win Bengal, we would have made a decisive step in the direction of one nation, one party.